Alright, I'm going to make a quick video of me refilling my Harbor Freight Central Pneumatic 21 gallon air compressor. I've got a decibel meter here, and you can see that just me talking, I'm in the, I don't know, mostly around the 60 range. We're going to flip this on, and I've got it plugged into the garage outlet here. On the other opposite end of the garage, this thing will not run because the wire is so long, but we're gonna flip this on and see if it'll start. It is cold in here. Did not start. Sometimes it takes a few tries. I don't know if you can tell the lights are flickering in here. There it goes. So here we are at about 1 meter away. I don't know if anybody can hear me or not. 92 decibels. It's no joke. So the ambient noise in here is about 39 decibels. I'm talking a little louder now than I was before because the thing was so loud. I guess I upped my volume. But, normally I talk around maybe 60 decibels. But there you saw the range. I don't think I ever came back further than maybe a meter or 3 feet. And then when I came up here between the cabinet and the motor, I was over 100. So that's real life with this compressor. I do like it. I use it quite a bit for different things. But I'll tell you, I am ready for something different. I'm looking forward to see what the Fortresses look like. Hopefully they're not too insanely expensive.